everybody, Ms. Gallegos here again, going over ELA for 5.5. Okay, our learning objective for 5.5. I understand how pictures can add detail to the text I read. Okay, when you come to the first page, this is the link that I had already sent you guys for the ELA lesson. This is another way to get to it. It's my YouTube video. Your assignments are going to be 3. You have assignment 1 in winter, assignment 2, the vocabulary for signs of winter, and 3, check for understanding. The supplemental work is the progress checkup, which are the weekly ELA tests that you were used to taking. This one will not be turned in. This one is just for practice at home. It's a very good idea to do those. Okay, so you're going to read your story in winter. Make sure that you're looking at your pictures to help you. Make sure you're using your reading strategies to sound out words if you don't know how to read them. Stretch them out, chunk them, chunky monkey. Sound out the first letter first and then the next ones. Okay. So you read your story. Make sure you read it about 3 times. And then you go to answer your questions. And remember, you can use your own sheet of paper. Number 1, why do geese travel in the winter? Use a complete sentence to answer. That means I don't want just one word. Okay, make sure you give me a complete sentence. For example, geese travel in the winter because, and then you give me your answer. And don't forget your writing rules. Uppercase, spacing, punctuation. Number 2, box 4 words that have the same vowel sound as moon. Okay, we're not boxing words because we're not printing out the story. So just write them in, either here on your answer sheet or your own sheet of paper. Okay, and you're looking for words that have the O sound, ooh. And I did send a link on our messages on Dojo to a YouTube video. Let me see if I have it here. And it's for the O sound. When you click on the link that I send you, you're going to bring up this little video here. That's what it'll look like. Okay, and I did send that this morning and ask parents to play for the kiddos this video before they do the work. So it's a little review over the O sound, which makes the ooh sound. Okay, so make sure you click on that link before you do the work. Okay, and then number 3, what is Moose's major food for during winter? Again, use a complete sentence, boys and girls. Not just one word. What is the last thing the characters do in the story? So make sure you read your story a few times so you know the answers when you come to the questions. Your next story, Signs of Winter, is an informational text. Remember what an informational text is? It's going to be a text that gives us information. It's going to be nonfiction, which means it's real facts. This one's going to be about seasons. So you're going to have your pictures. You're going to have text features, like these little bubbles that give you extra information about the pictures, captions. Okay, read the whole story. And then at the bottom, you're going to have a glossary. A glossary gives us the definition of some words that we may not know the meaning of in the story. That's the last page of the story. And then you have your questions. How do photos help you know this text is an informational text? Again, use complete sentences to answer. Why does the author write about people and animals in winter? Make sure you tell me why. Okay, don't give me examples of people and animals in winter. They're asking, why does the author use write about people and animals in the winter. It's an informational text, so keep that in mind. Why would he use people and animals for his informational text? What are signs of winter? Use text evidence. That means that you need to show me where in the story there were signs of winter. Copy a sentence from the story so you can show me what the signs of winters are. Assignment number 2 for vocabulary, you're drawing pictures. Draw a picture of seasons, something that would represent seasons, weather, temperature, and daylight. And again, you can use this answer key, or you can use your own sheet of paper. Okay? All right, so that's it for ELA. Don't forget to click on my link for the YouTube video for the OO sound. Thank you, boys and girls.